Hello, a very happy morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are good. Well, today we are going to learn our subject, that is my first book of phonics. So, my dear students, please take out your textbook. My first book of phonics. In this, you have to take out page number 4 to 42. UT earth. UT earth. Repeat with me. UT earth. UT earth. See the first word? Heart. H-U-T. Heart. H-U-T. Heart. H-U-T. Heart. See the next picture? See the next word? What is this? Cut. C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. See the next word? Next two little word, that is U-S. Us. U-S. Us. U-S. Us. See the picture? आपको एक इसका पिक्चर दिख रहा है? स्कूल किस में आते हैं? बस, राइट? तो हमारा नेक्स्ट वर्ड है बस. B-U-S. बस. B-U-S. बस. B-U-S. bus. See the next word? Plus. P-L-U-S. Plus. Repeat with me. P-L-U-S. Plus. P-L-U-S. Plus. Bus. B-U-S-H. Bus. B-U-S-H. Bus. Now we are going to learn some more words. Okay? You have to repeat with me. H-U-T. Heart. H-U-T. Heart. H-U-T. Heart. C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. See the next one? Nut. N-U-T. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Lux. L-U-X. Lux. L-U-X. Lux. L-U-X. Lux. Tux. T-U-X. Tux. T-U-X. Tux. T-U-X. Tux. Paste the stickers of letter U in the boxes and make new words. Children, you have to paste the sticker of U, and the stickers are there on the back side of your textbook. और जब आप स्टिकर U का पेस्ट करेंगे, then एक new word बनेगा, and you have to read each and every word. जब आप स्टिकर पेस्ट कर देंगे U का, उसके बाद आपको हर एक वर्ड को लाउडली रीड करना है और साथ में लर्न भी करना है. So my dear student, please do this practice. Bye-bye. God bless